Do you respect the craft or do you respect the person? Can you separate them both?
Oh, I think I know where this is going. I have a feeling I know where this is going. Okay. I can respect the craft,
Okay.
but if the individual behind the craft is
Should it
causing
matter?
pain, no, if they're causing pain, then there has to be, you have to separate the art from the artist. But there have been a lot of people in the history of literature, in the East, in the West, who have been problematic people.
Yeah.
And I mean, I have a lot of issues.
But don't you think all the great writers, अगर आप जितने भी मर्जी उठा के देख लें, they've always been problematic.
हाँ, so I mean, उनको कहते हैं art monsters. So an art monster is somebody who is vain, narcissistic, writes quite well or acts quite well, but they're a bit of a monster in their private life. So there are a lot of, history is littered with art monsters. So ठीक है, I mean, you have to have a view of them. Some get away with it, and you know, some you should hold accountable.
You have a certain problem with someone because of their actions.
जी.
ठीक है ना?
जी.
But not because of their art. मतलब you still hold their art to some value.
अगर अच्छी हो, बिल्कुल.
Yeah.
अगर अच्छी हो तो, जी.
I mean, okay, fine. Let me ask you this.
Okay.
Hence, this person,
जी.
वो अगर अपनी personal life में ना वो हो,
जी.
you would have still done Manto.
Oh, नहीं अच्छा, उनकी पर्सनल लाइफ का मेरा कोई इशू नहीं है, you know, that's not my business.
Yeah.
It's that the stuff they say, I mean, it's the stuff they say, which in a society like ours, where people already assume women to be guilty without, you know, if you wear jeans, बहुत मतलब, he traffics in these stereotypes about women, says things about women that I just think are really, they're not just lazy, but also they're deeply problematic. So I thought to myself, कि अगर मैं, you know, and you know, it was going to be a lead role. मुझे जो,
It was a very good role.
but
actually.
I mean, did it even do well? I don't know. But anyway, I just didn't want to be associated with something like that. And, you know, I hope that he changes. I hope that his children, who seem to be quite cool, they're young, they're Gen Z, I hope they advise him कि आप थोड़ा, you know, just be part of this new,
Yeah.
just expand your...
No, that's why I wanted, मैं चाहता at least इस चीज़ को हम लोग ज़रा थोड़ा सा clear वगैरह करें.
हाँ, मैंने clear वैसे पहले भी किया हुआ है, but...
That's why I ask, do you respect the art?
I mean, I respect Digest Writer, the drama serial. Do I respect the artist?
वो हमें पता है.
हाँ, वो पता है.
और सानू पता है बिल्कुल.
ठीक है, फिर तुसी मज़ीद पूछी जा रहे हो.